Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fiola Unlimited. Today I would like to show you how I made my hair without sewing or installing on wig. If you would like to know how I made this, please stay tuned. And if you are watching my video for the first time, it's good to have you. I just washed my hair and I was waiting for it to dry a little bit. I combed my hair out and I added Cantu leave-in conditioner and black castor oil. Then I started braiding my hair. So you don't have to make it perfect when braiding, just braid it anyhow you want and it's going to be okay. For this style, I'll be using a Brazilian woman hairstyle mix made by Mega. It has a part closure and it comes in 18, 20 and 22 inches. You'll be needing a wig clip for this. I got this from beauty supply store. You can get yours too. Mine was from Cali's Beauty. So what I did was I attached this wig clip to the edges of my closure. Next thing I did is to attach the clip to my hair. So after attaching this to my hair, you can see how it looks. This is looking fabulous already. I'm so excited about this. Even without fixing the hair, just look at the closure, looking very nice. So I'll be starting with number 18 and I will be using this wave to measure my head. So I measured from like one ear to the other one, like the beginning of my first braid to the last one. This is very funny that I use this weave as a measuring tape. You can use your own measuring tape if you have one to measure it. Then I fixed my clip to the edge of the weave that I cut out. So this is how it looks after fixing my wig clip to the edges. Then I clipped it to my hair. So I repeated the same step here, but this time around I fixed a wig clip in the middle because I wanted it to be firm and I did not want to waste my weave on. So this is the way it looks after fixing a clip in the middle. Mine didn't really fall in the middle because I was trying to avoid cutting out the remaining part of the bundle. So I clipped this to my hair and I repeated the same step over again. So at the end, I figured that the clip wasn't holding my front hair because I didn't really have much hair at the front. So I decided to use a glue and I'll be using Got2b glue. I applied the glue and I used the blow dryer to dry it. But this is the first time I'll be using Got2b glue, so I think I overdried it. I dried it for like 1 minute. Yeah, but when you want to do yours, you can just do like 40 seconds or 30 seconds. Yeah, but it worked really well, and this is it, guys. Yeah, it came out well. It came out so well. I'm so excited about this hair. I love it. So if you enjoyed this video, if you've learned something, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. And if you have any comment, any question, just drop it in the comment section. I'll sure get back to you. Thank you for watching. Bye.